And by the way, mamaya ako nasabihin sa inyo yung news. Okay, mag-ayos muna tayo. Hey guys, wait lang. Hello! Let's get ready before anything else. Practicing ko pa yung sayaw. Hindi ko inisip.
Maybe.
Hey! We've got the stuff. Yeah, mission accomplished.
Sorry!
It's okay.
We look good, right?
Yeah, I love it.
Did you like that?
Yeah, I watched it.
It's good.
He's the big dancer.
Yes,
Oh.
exactly. So I should do this one.
It should not be finished, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I almost fell at the end. Okay, let me see if you can see.
Tama, tama, tama.
I almost
And you
took
were
me
like,
this day.
Hi guys! Kakatapos lang ng collab namin with Isabel and Jaymon, and I'm very tired. Kasi in between, gumawa pa ako ng long procedure. Hair removal and CO2 fraction. Last namin, and pauwi na ako. Done. Last clap out. Hi guys. Lamig. Lamig. Hi guys, so today is August 20 and babalik akong clinic kasi today ako ay isang subject. Hindi na ako yung gagawa ng procedure, so a little pamper day and I trust them na maging subject. May train lang na isang procedure sa isang staff na naiwan. And ako ang subject today. IPL hair removal sa kilikili. And kailangan talaga ng kilikili ko yun. Then, siguro bibili na lang din ako ng merienda para sa amin sa clinic. Tapos, mag-inventory ako. Hindi kasi ako hindi ko nagawa yung mga last na kailangan kong gawin. Since busy ako kahapon yung collab with Isabel. So they're very nice. For them, it's their work and ang gaan lang nila katrabaho. Nakakatuwa lang din sila kasama, alam niyo yun. Puno lang din kami ng tawanan during nung filming day namin kahapon. And na-upload yun na ngayon yung video. Later ako mag-upload ng akin. But yun, ang saya lang, you know? Ang saya and ang galing lang din ng lifestyle nila. Like they travel the world to dance. So yun lang guys, I need to go. Bili muna ako ng merienda namin. Then pupunta na akong clinic, tapos tapusin ko na yung mga kailangan kong tapusin. So, in between nung collab, nag-handle pa ako ng 3 patients. Kaya pagod na pagod ako kahapon. But today's pamper day and day 1 of being unemployed. So, I think later ko na lang i-end yung video. Mamaya, after nito, like, pagpa-uwi ako mamaya. Dala ko rin yung laptop ko ngayon. Plano ko mag-prestige later para dun mag-edit. Let's go! Gutom na rin ako. Pero kumain naman ako sa bahay. Tayo. Mismo. Share. Hi guys, so pauwi na ako. Hindi ako nakapag-prestige tonight since snooze nook yung mga massage chair Tapos nag-1 hour ako. Tapos nakatulog ako. Then, nag-inventory na rin ako sa clinic. So, yun. This is officially my last day. Last day as an aesthetic nurse. So, thanks so much guys for watching. Let's see kung saan naman ako next. Ako ang NPA ng nursing. Wala akong permanent address. So, that is it guys for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Di ko alam saan dapat kitingin. Thank you so much guys. And I'll see you in my next one. Catch me if you can.